Good morning, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Today is the 7th of July. We're coming off of a great 4th of July weekend. Just wanted to hit you with another video about the biggest movers. Look at what just happened with the crypto market on the 6th of July. Look at these movers. I want to bring your attention to just a handful of them that we have actually talked about on this channel. Look at this. Axie Infinity up 39%. Harmony up 28%. Flow up 28.15%. Qcoin, which we've talked about, 22.94%. Stacks up 19%. Decentraland up 17%. We've talked about that particular coin, Mana Coin, many times on this channel. Terra Luna, we've talked about, up 15%. Kusama up 14%. Engine Coin, we've talked about on this channel, up 13.4%. And the list goes on. Polkadot, we've talked about on this channel, 9%. It's the basic attention token we've talked about on this channel, up 8%. So, and of course, look at this. Chainlink up 6.9%. Zcash up 5.57%. And the list goes on. PancakeSwap up 4%. Ethereum up 3.8%. Shia Coin up 3%. Uniswap up 3.2%. Neo set to explode in another month, up 3%. We've talked about all of these things, and of course, Bitcoin up a mere 1.97%. Why am I talking about this? It is not a coincidence. Okay? How am I able to pick the winners? Because we dig down into what these currencies are about. We understand that Terra Luna has all of the magic mix. It's going to do something. Neo, they've got architecture and they've got a development area that they're putting together for the Neo coin and the infrastructure there for their blockchain that is going to be a challenger to all the other folks that have smart contracts. Look, we do the research on this channel. Okay, so for all of those who have been following us and who subscribe to us and shared, congratulations on watching your portfolio starting to expand again post these flash crashes of 2021 in May and June and July. I should just say June and July. The flash crashes are about to end, folks. My theory now is that the rain has come. And now it's time for the sun to come out. And when it comes out this time, it's just not going to be something that people can understand. It's going to be explosive. And I hope you're getting excited. I hope you're still hodling your coins. I hope you did not sell your crypto. We've been preaching that on this channel. And I hope that you are ready for the ride of your life. It is going to be exciting. It's going to make a lot of people a lot wealthier than they were. And a lot of people are going to be sitting there more comfortable because now they have security. They know that they have assets that are working on their behalf and basically making sure that their financial future is sound. So just take a look at these lists. We're going to do this from time to time. We might talk a little bit more about Engine Coin and about Decentraland. I'm very excited about those two projects. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Please like and subscribe. This is the first time you've been to this channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.